Welcome back, guys. Today we have a headlight bulb going on our E60. A lot of people don't know how I'm going to fit these. This is the HID projector lights, xenon bulbs. Ours unfortunately out, so we've got some new ones in the post just there now. But show you how to fit it. Now, I think all you should need is these 3 screwdrivers, 30 Torx, flat head, and a star head. So let's get stuck in. We need to move our headlight bulbs. One over here. Don't lose your bulbs. So handy. Okay, well, there should be one here. Our light, see our tab's broke. Your light, if it's not broken, then we both here, so you'll be unscrewing it both from here also. Now, light should just slip out. Oh. That's it, we're out. Didn't damage the paintwork, the bumper. Okay, we have 2 plugs. Push down like that, slide that down. That should just come right off like that. The bottom one here is going to be clip connector. Push it in, that's it. Now we can access the headlight properly. Right, let's go to the bench. Screw our light. Move your back cover. There we have it. That's the culprit here, is our dip beam bulb. Changed a lot of these now, but they're all very similar. Let's see. That to the left. Push straight out. Like so. There's your HID bulb. Xenon bulb, whatever you call it. There's the protective cage. You squeeze it in, that's just come off like that. Basic stuff. Let's go and get our new bulbs and see what we have. Impacts it too, so it's not bad to have spare up. See, as you can see, it's the same. Okay, now we need to get this collar off here onto this bulb. Get that, push that in. We tab, and the focus tool on, and that just will release that like so. There we are. Discard your old bulbs safely. Sure, nothing, no dirt in there. Just place it back into the same wee slots. And close over. Like so. There's the in the reverse of we took it off. Once you've pushed in, you found your groove. You need to twist it back around to the right, like so. Plug your connector back in. Give that wee click. Everything's firm and tight. Reinstall your cover. Plug back in. Just in the reverse of taking it off. And that should slide up and push in at the same time. There you go, right. Wiggle back in. Careful not to damage any paintwork. You need to take it easy at this step. Now your bolts back in. Once you're happy with where your light is sitting. Tighten everything back up.